Okay, Eva, this is what it looks like to set up an alert on the New York Law Journal. New York Law Journal is published by ALM, and you can get it online through law.com. So you'll want to use the link that I sent in that original email to get an account. So I have already got an account, and I'm logged in. And when you go to the New York Law Journal, you'll see my account over here on the right. If you click on my account, just below, it says My Alerts. So we'll click on My Alerts. And what it does is it actually lets you search within all of the New York Law Journal content. So you click search, and I'm going to put in just a basic search based on our conversation. All right, so estate and digital asset. Okay, so I see a few results, and one of the things they do is they give you an option to look at their search constraints. It's, basically you're just getting some advanced search options. So you can look for specific judges, courts, topics, practice areas, combinations. I do put things in quotation marks a lot when I use New York Law Journal, simply because you can get an awful lot of things that are, misleading or simply irrelevant if you don't, if you're looking for a phrase. So you might use those. All right. And what you would do once you have set up your search is click follow. All right, so it says, is this what you really want? So this publication, right, this publication is the New York Law Journal. I say in digital asset, how often do you want it delivered? Every day at 2 p.m. And I'll create the alert. And now every day at 2 p.m., whatever is new will come up, right? So in theory, at 2 p.m. tomorrow, I should not necessarily get all of these things, or I may get these things because it's running the search for the first time. So you just have to sort of tweak it a little bit and see what works well for you. But that's how you set up a search in the New York Law Journal. And you'll see you're getting cases and you're getting news stories. So that might be useful.